Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are providing the information about Zodthod Wi-Fi extender setup. In this video you can watch the setup process of Zodthod Wi-Fi extender using WPS method and using web interface. Let's start with WPS setup. Plug your Zodthod Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near to router. Then plug the WPS button on router and Zodthod extender for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the 1 minute to configure your extender with Wi-Fi router. When the connection established successfully, then move the Zodthod extender to another location. First, plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power socket and open the Wi-Fi page on your phone. Then you will find the two Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5G Pro network names. Connect any one of them. Now you will redirect it to the web interface. Click on the login button. Select the repeater mode settings and then next. Then it will scan for all the available network. Wait for few seconds. Now, select the Wi-Fi network which you want to expand. Here, you need to enter the password and click on the next button. You can type any password in this field. This password will set to the extender password. To finalize the setup process, click on the Finish button. Now wait for the sometime, when the page will jump to Wi-Fi page of your mobile phone. Now, the Wi-Fi page will appear on the screen. Here, you can check 2.4G or 5G network on this Wi-Fi list. Choose any one Wi-Fi network from the list and connect with using password. Now your Zodthod Wi-Fi extender setup using web interface is completed. Thanks for watching. If this video really helps, then please subscribe my channel. For any kind of assistance, contact us on our toll-free number or visit our website.